Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing the topic factorization and presently factorization using identities. We will see first what is identity, a definition and meaning of identity, identities or a singular identity. Definition: an equality where a left hand side is equal to right hand side for all the values of variables is called as identity. We'll understand the actual meaning of this after learning some identities and solving some problem. So these are some identities. First one is a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one is a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one is a plus b into bracket and another bracket a minus b equal to a square minus b square. And fourth one is x plus a bracket complete and another bracket x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b bracket into x plus a into b. This is the general form of the identities. We have discussed this in some other chapter and some other video, but don't go in details of this. This is absolutely not necessary at present. Only by heart all four of these as they are. You can even derive this by multiplying a plus b into a plus b, two brackets, you will get this, or a minus b into a minus b, but you need this even in higher standards. Okay, there are few others, you will come across it, but presently you buy this by writing on paper several times. Okay, and then you will come to know the meaning of this, that this left hand side and a right hand side is equal for all the values of variable. This point is very important. Okay, take any value for a, any value for b, e1 0, e1 1, and put it in this side and this side. Okay, this left hand side value and right hand side value both will be same. Okay, that's the meaning of this. Okay, so we go ahead. Now we will learn how to factorize the expression using identity. These are the steps involved in it. We will directly take an expression and try to find out by the expression. Okay. So consider the expression. First one, a square plus 6a plus 9, and try to factorize this. Now first step is check if last term is a perfect square, this term, and carry positive sign. If it is a perfect square and carry positive sign, then there are wide chances that this is the expression that is given here. Then there is a possibility of expression is of the form a square plus 2ab plus 2ab plus b square plus b square. That was what I was talking about. There is a wide chance of this being a perfect square of this type, a plus b into a plus b or a plus b square, as a first identity gives a plus b square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You know this by heart. Okay, now if b square is 9, this, that means b is 3, then if the middle quantity, keeping this a as it is, 2 into 3, that comes out to be 6. So there is a possibility. So see here, a square plus 6a plus 9, where 9 is a perfect square of 3, and middle term can be expressed as, that is 6 can be expressed as 3 into 2, then can be a square into 2 into 3a plus 3 square, similar to this. Just check this a square, this 2 is there, this a is there, and this 3 is there, and this is 3 square. So by using identity, a plus b square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We get this by similarity. You can check a plus b, that is a plus 3 square, or a plus 3 into a plus 3. So this is how you can check whether this can be factorized by using identity. Let us check second expression, number 2. 4x square minus 8x plus 4. See here, coefficient of a square is 1. This is deliberately chosen as coefficient of x is x square is 4, or you will see it afterwards. Let's see. Check if the last term is perfect square. Yes, this is a perfect square and has a positive sign. Yes. Then there is a possibility of the expression of the form x square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, as this is a minus sign here, and its factors are a minus b square using this identity. This is equal to this. Then if you check, if you substitute b for 2, or b square and 4, the above expression is b is equal to 2, which is 2 square, and a is equal to 2x. So here should take 2x in the whole square. Okay, hence 4x square minus 8x plus 4 will be like this. The first term will be 2x square minus 2 into, just take the similarity of this. A is 2x now. Now this is again 2x, and b is 2, and this is 2 square, and this is bound to be same as this. Check it. That means it is 2x, or a minus b the whole square, that is 2x minus 2 the whole square, or let us take 2 square common, that is x minus 1 the whole square, or 4 into x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, so go through it again, or do it yourself, try to understand these steps, and you will find it very easy to check whether any given expression has factors and can be factorized using identity. These are first two identities, and you have factorized this using this identity. Okay, so we go ahead after learning this. The third one on similar topic, factorize 4p square minus 9q square. See, 4 is out of this, 4p square and 9q square. It's not a bracket. Okay, so as there are only two terms and negative sign, then we look for the terms of the squares. That is, this, if this is a perfect square and this is a perfect square, indeed that is a perfect square. Therefore p square is equal to 2p the bracket square, and 9q square is equal to 3q the bracket square. So we see the similarity in the identity, with this identity, which can be used, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So if a is 2p and b is 3q, then by this identity you can write the factors will be a plus b, that is 2p plus 3q, and next bracket 2p minus 3q. You can directly write. Okay, so this is again a simple method of finding factors. Take the fourth one. Actually nothing is difficult, but you need to practice yourself so that you will be thorough with this and by at this. Okay, factors a square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Okay, Seems to be very big, but actually it is very easy. Okay. Here, first three terms could be written as, just see, this is very easy actually. A square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b the whole square. That is some identity 2. So using this, the expression can be written as, by using identity, this this expression can be written as a minus b square minus c square. Okay, and now using the identity, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. This full term is a and this is b. If you substitute this, that is a plus b, that is a minus b plus c, and a minus b minus c. So a is equal to a minus b and b is equal to c. You can just see this. Do it by writing on paper yourself. Then you will definitely understand it properly. Okay. So a minus b square minus c square will be a minus b plus c and a minus b minus c. Okay. So actually such type of big expressions are literally very easy if you apply a little mind with this and try to find out. It's actually very easy. So try some examples. Okay. Fourth one, little different aspect of finding factors. Just see, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. This is the general form of the identities. I have discussed this in some other video on some other topic, how this is general form. Presently that is not important, we have to use it as it is. Okay, because using this we are trying to find the factors. So just see this general explanation and then we will solve a problem and you will understand it properly. Okay, so just see this p x square plus px plus q cannot be expressed as a plus b square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a minus b square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, because q may not be perfect square. That may be one of the reason. And if that is the case, then we use the general form as, this is same as this. So we use x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b, just see where it is, into x plus ab, where this p is equal to a plus b and this q is ab. This is just the general explanation. It will be clear after solving this problem. So we will directly tackle the problem. So take this expression, x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay. Now see this expression. We can write 5 as 4 plus 1 equal to 5, or 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Okay, this is possible. We are supposed to write in addition or summation of two digits. Had there been a minus or to be written in a something minus something, then there are many ways: 7 minus 2, 6 minus 1, 8 minus 3, like that. But in addition, presently for pi there are only two. Okay, so we have to look for the product as ab equal to 6. We have to look for this also. This is possible with this 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Hence the above expression can be written as this expression x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to, write it like this, x square plus 5 can be written as 2 plus 3 into x plus 2 into 3. And by using this identity and similarity of this, see, a plus b and ab, so we can write this two factors x plus a and x plus b. We know the value of a and b, so therefore factors will be x plus 2 and x plus 3. Okay, so I have solved some problems for you. You go through these problems and try to understand this and solve some problems yourself, then this will be very easy topic for you. Okay, so moving to the solved problems. Okay, now we are trying to solve some problems by using these identities. The first one is to factorize the following expressions. Okay, we were trying to factorize the expressions. The first one in this, under this topic, that is factorizing the expression. First one is 121b square minus 88bc plus 16c square. Okay, answer, you need to rewrite the expression, that is you have to write it again from the question paper on the answer sheet. 121b square minus 88bc plus 16c square. Now if you observe the coefficient of b square and that of c square, go through the comment there, it's given there. B square coefficient is 121 and that of c square is 16, and you know these are the perfect squares, so always such data or such type of useful tricks you have to use. So 121 is 11 square and 16 is equal to 4 square. So we can use this identity and express the above expression in the following way. See, I am rewriting it again. In exam you need not rewrite it here. In the beginning you have to write, then you can you need not give the expression as I have given it. This is just to understand, this is just part of practice. You can give a small explanation at the right side, a right hand corner. Okay, so I am writing here 121b square minus 88bc plus 16c square can be written as, so 121 can be written as 11 square, that is 11b the whole square, minus 2 into 11 into 4bc plus 4c in the bracket square. Okay, now you have to look for the identity which is similar to this. Okay, we have to add all these identities, and then these problems will be very simple problems. So see, this is equivalent to this or similar to the identity a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. If you look for the similarity, then a will be 11b and b will be 4c. Well, then substitute. Okay, I am writing it because you have to understand it. Okay, so you need not repeat all this writing in the exam. You have to save as much time as you can. Okay, so 11b square minus 2 into 11 into 4 into bc plus 4c square, so that is equal to 11b minus 4c the whole square. Okay, these are your factors. Only you have to highlight this, don't write factor the spelling there. Okay. Second one, under this topic, read it very carefully. L plus m into bracket square minus 4lm. Answer, rewrite the whole expression again. And if you look at the first term, L plus m square, it clearly shows that if you open this bracket by using an identity, suitable identity, then it might definitely help you. So expand this, okay, we call it as expanding the bracket by the known identity. And which identity we are going to use? It's very simple. Now you have to add all this and use a proper identity. By you have to actually look for the sign first, okay, by looking at a sign. That was what I was talking about. A plus b square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is your identity. Similar to it, L plus m square is equal to, that is of minus 4m will be L plus m square, L square plus 2 into Lm plus m square, that is the first term, and then write down the second term again. Now if you look at it, there is 2lm and 4lm, okay. If you carry out the subtraction, you will get L square minus 2lm plus m square. Here look for the another simple identity similar to the above one, only there is a change in sign, okay. A minus b square, that is a bracket square, equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Like that, these identities are very simple, you can remember them easily. So looking at it, see the right hand side, a square minus 2ab plus b square, L square minus 2lm plus m square in the expression, then you will come to know this is very simple as L minus m the bracket square, okay. So these are the factors, okay, highlight these factors. That's your answer. Second one, that is factorize. First one in this factorize, read it very carefully. A denoted by a into bracket L plus m the whole square minus another bracket L minus m the whole square, okay. Now answer, write the expression once again, L plus m the whole square, that is into what is the first bracket, and minus L minus m the square whole square, okay. Now if you look at it, this is similar to an identity. See, go to the comment there, which identity you can use. I am going slowly because you must get time to think also, and then you can check yourself that your thought is correct or not. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Yes, you guessed it correctly. Here a is equal to L plus m and b is equal to L minus m. Remember, these things you are not supposed to do in exam. This is for you to understand. You have to only write the identity and directly the answer like this step, okay. A is equal to b equal to, need not write, you can go to the jump to this step. It is L plus m square minus L minus m square is equal to, now into the big bracket, now small bracket L plus m, that is a plus b plus L minus m and another this bracket completes, and another bracket L plus M minus L minus M into another bracket. Okay, so go step by step so that you will not make mistake in sign. Okay, don't do sign and opening of bracket directly. So now open it, L plus M plus L minus M, and again in this, because always when minus sign is there, negative sign is there, always makes a problem. L plus M minus L plus M. Okay, look at it. Okay, now cancel. M cancels with this M and L cancels in the second bracket. Yes, this with this plus minus. So that is equal to now this is 2L and that is 2M. Okay, so that will be 2 into 2 4 LM. That is your answer. Okay, very simple. Okay, go through, solve some similar problems. Okay, now the second one under this topic of factorization. Read it again carefully. X square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. Answer. Write the expression again and observe it very carefully. X square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. If you observe the first term of this, x square minus 2xy plus y square is similar to an identity. Which identity? See, this is a very important identity. I just read the comment there. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So use this. Now it is very simple. This is equal to x minus y the whole square. Okay, I am writing it again, but in exam you can directly write it. You need not write it again. You don't waste your time in writing like this. This is just to understand or for the practice. You can write this step, x minus y the whole square minus z square. And now again observe that you can again use an identity. This is going to happen in advanced part of this section, that you might have to use more than one identity in single exercise or one problem. Okay, so this is equal to a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, both into bracket. So this is similar, x minus y the bracket square minus z square. So apply this, and x minus y plus z and x minus y minus z. Okay, very simple. If you use identity very properly, there is no problem. This is your answer. Okay, and the third one under same topic, read it. 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. Answer. If you look at this, then the last three terms, they contain b square, bc and c square. There is no a in this, so concentrate only on these last three terms. You have written it. Okay, and I have said same thing in this comment that uh, if you try to apply an identity to the last three squared, combine these, okay, your problem is solved. This is what you have to observe. They might give you in not in order and jumble up anyway, first one, first term, second term, fourth term, like that. You have to correct it, okay, just by changing the position. You are not changing the main value of the expression, okay. So let us discuss the problem again. As 4 and 49 are perfect squares, so 25, I'm writing it like this: 25 square into bracket 4b square minus 28bc plus 49c square. This is deliberately written in bracket because you are concerned with that. You have to apply identity only to this, the thing which is in bracket. Which identity? Let us see. If you are thorough with your identity, then you need not think much on this. See, I have taken minus n common for this, okay. Have you observed that? That is what you have to do, okay. So square term should be plus, then you can apply. Just see a and b, that even if there is a negative sign, a square is positive and b square is also positive. So if you apply it, 25a square minus into the bracket 2b square minus 2 into 7 2 into 2b into 7c, 7c I have taken like that, and 7c square, okay. Now write it. 25 can be written as 5 square, so 5 into 8 whole square minus 2b into bracket 2b minus 7c square. Now another identity. This is a square minus b square type. Use that identity. I told you earlier that you might have to use 2 or 3 identities. Presently I think you don't have to apply 3 identities. Till now we have only applied 2 identities in a problem. So this is the second one. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Apply it. 5 is one term and 2b minus 7c is another term. So 5a plus 2b minus 7c first bracket, and 5a minus 2b minus 7c, okay. Do apply this bracket. Now open the bracket. 5a plus 2b minus 7c will be in one bracket, because minus minus is plus. So in the second bracket c term will be plus 5a minus 2b plus 7c, okay. So these are your factors, very simple. So I have practice of this, okay. Next one, third one, and titled as factorize the expressions. And first one under this, uh, we have to factorize this by using some laws, okay. The first one, reading it: am square plus bm square plus bn square plus an square, okay. Answer: rewrite the whole expression again. Am square plus bm square plus bn square plus an square. This is very interesting. you will enjoy the type of solution. Okay, take m square common from the first two terms. Just see from which term, these two terms. Okay, and n square common from another term. Which two? Just see. This is for you to understand or for you to study this term. Okay, to study this, and then it will be very easy for you to solve the problem and you will be solving it yourself. So from those the respective terms, so we write these terms after taking common factors m square into bracket a plus b plus n square into bracket b plus a. Now a plus b is equal to b plus a, so I'm just giving one term extra. This I am writing as this here and this here. Okay, you may write, you may not write, there is no harm, but it's better if you write it like this. So m square into a plus b into n square into a plus b. Now you can take a plus b common. Okay, this and this. So you are getting the answer. A plus b are taken common, and what remains in the second bracket is m square plus n square. Okay. So you can solve this by another way in the comment there, in this way also, this way too. So I am writing the expression am square plus bm square plus bn square plus an square. I am trying to take a term, this term here, just after a. Okay, we are not changing the value, we are just rearranging the terms. So am square plus an square, and rest of the terms are remaining as they are, bm square plus bn square. Now you can take a common from the first term. Earlier we had taken m square common. Now you can take a common from these two terms and b common from the last two terms. We have rearranged it. We have not changed the value. So after taking common, you can write a as common and into bracket m square plus n square, and another bracket plus b into m square plus n square. And now look at the interesting point. You can again take m square plus n square common from these two terms, this and this one. Okay, and after taking this term common, just see what you are left with, m square plus n square into bracket a plus b. Okay, so anyhow you solve, your answer is same. See, this answer is same as the previous answer, this answer. Okay, okay, so you can solve any one way. Okay, solve some problems. Thank you. Second one, under this, factorize the expression Read it. B. 5y square minus 20y minus 8z plus 2yz. Answer. Rewrite the expression again. 5y square minus 20y minus 8z plus 2yz. Now if you look at it, then if you can observe that 20 can be written as 5 into 4 and 8 also can be written as 4 into 2, and that can solve your problem. So if you look for such factors, that will be very easy. So I am writing it 5y square minus 5 into 4y minus 4 into 2z plus 2yz. That will be, take 5y common from the first two terms and a 2z common, 2z, yes, 2z common from the second two terms. Okay, that's it, like that. Okay, so if you take it, so we get 5y common equal to, into the bracket, y minus 4, and here if you take 2z common, then again minus 4 plus y, that is again y minus 4, both the brackets are same. So 5y into y minus 4, I am just readjusting it, rewriting it. This is common, and take common, y minus 4 should be taken common, and you get y minus 4 into 5y plus 2z, that is the second bracket. That is your answer. These are the factors. Okay. Okay. Fourth one, factorize. Factorizing the expressions, polynomials, are very important for solving or multiplying or dividing. The first one, x raised to 4 minus into bracket y plus z raised to 4. Okay. Answer. Rewrite this, x raised to 4 minus into bracket y plus z raised to 4. Now try to express this in square form, because we have identity for square. Okay, so read a comment. Try to write the above expression in square, means raised to 2. Okay, so we have to use exponential laws. So all these laws and all these identities should be known to you. So see, x raised to 4 minus into bracket y plus z raised to 4 can be written as x square raised to 2 minus y plus z into bracket this square and again the bracket. Okay, that is square. That can be written. You know which exponential law we have used. Okay, now you can use the identity. Which identity? A square minus b square, as this is in the square form. A square minus b square equal to a plus b and another bracket a minus b. See, a is x square. Okay, remember this. So we write the factors. This equal to a plus b, that is x square plus y plus z square. Okay, This completes the bracket, and in another bracket x square minus y plus z, this square is another bracket. Okay, now the second bracket, again same identity can be used. Okay, so first bracket, this bracket, same identity, so first bracket remains as it is, and we can use this a square minus b square for the second bracket. So x square plus y plus z, the bracket square, into x plus y plus z, and x minus y plus z into bracket. See, this minus sign is outside that bracket, so we will be again taking that minus side inside. So write the first term as it is, x square plus y plus z, the whole square, that is that, and this is x plus y plus z, and this is x minus y minus z. Okay, that is your answer. Okay, so don't make mistake in sign, always go step by step, then you will not make any mistake. Okay, these are the factors. And second one, under the factorization, a raised to 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4. Answer, rewrite the whole expression as it is. In the beginning, a raised to 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4. Then write this expression in square form. Okay, you know, by this time you must have enough practice, you must have gone through all these exponential laws, use them. Okay, so you can write a raised to 4 as a raised to 2 the whole raised to 2. Okay, a raised to 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4, that is, you can write it like this, a square whole square minus 2 a square and b square plus b raised to 2, that is b again raised to 2. Okay, b square the whole square. Okay, now you can use the identity, very famous identity, a minus b the whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and above expression is similar to this. Okay, this identity you have to use, and factorize it. So write it. So write a square minus b square raised to 2. Okay, so a square minus b square, the second identity, is equal to, see in the bracket we have a square minus b square, so a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. This identity is to be used inside the bracket. Okay, so what you are getting is, in the whole bracket, a plus b into a minus b and the whole bracket square. Okay, these are your factors. Okay, so you can write them like this also, a plus b square, a minus b square. Okay, that's it. Fifth one, factorize the following expressions. If you have enough practice, then in exam you need not think much on which type of factorization is there. or how you have to, which identity you have to use, or how you have to factorize this. Read this one: p square plus 6p minus 16. Answer. Now the moment you see that the square term, which is supposed to be square term, is negative, then this is a different type of factorization which we have seen. Okay, that is a comment given there. This is not a square type, that is a plus b square or a minus b square, because that square term which is supposed to be square is negative. So a general formula or general identity is to be used. Okay, and which is that? Let us, let the people think, let the student think on this. That's why I am going very slowly, so that you can also think and see that whether you were on the same way. This is identity: x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus into bracket a plus b x in plus ab. Okay, you can go and check in the another video that this is a general form of the identity. It's given somewhere, or write to me in the comment section, and I will explain you. Read the comment. Therefore, if minus 16 is equal to ab and 6 is equal to a plus b, you have to find two numbers where product of this will be minus 16 and addition will be 6. So numbers are, if a is equal to 8 and b is equal to minus 2, remember the sign, then minus 16 will be minus 8 into minus 2, or minus 2 into 8, and 6 will be 8 minus 2. So our job is over. Okay, now use this. So p square plus 6p minus 16 can be written as, okay, p square plus 8p, that is 8 minus 2p minus, or plus rather, okay, 8 into minus 2. Okay, because identity contains plus sign, that's why you have taken like that. So this is p plus 8 and p minus 2. These are your factors. Okay, okay, by similarity we have given this. Okay, this is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. If you have any difficulty in this topic of factorization, let me know through comment section and I shall solve it. Thanking you. Good luck.